Okay, it's recording.
Okay. Alright, so.
Alright.
Milo and Tim Tam. And I'm like not in the shot. You gotta move it that way. Thank you.
No problem. Anytime.
Alright.
Okay, what was I talking about?
Milo and Tim Tams.
Milo and timtams.
Yes, the second video. It's gonna happen. Eventually.
Yeah.
I don't know when, but it will. Or maybe I'll buy malt and try that too. And have a reaction video of that.
Well, I'm gonna look around for Milo.
Alright. But I know where to get it at a Chinese store.
What Chinese store?
It's downtown.
That's very specific.
It's near Somhai.
Oh, I don't know where that is.
It's near Footy Goody. No, not Footy Goody.
Oh,
It's,
yeah.
No. It's near Dim Sum, I think. Oh, no.
Oh, that's what I was talking about. Well, you know, how sound in your stomach. If you guys, ever get this, you don't really say it, but you feel hungry, and then your stomach makes up. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it makes like a really loud noise. I'm wondering how a sound like that in your stomach could be projected to other viewers or other people in the area.
Yeah.
That, or when you yawn, when you get really tired and then you end up burping. Yeah, I hate that. Just let a huge burp in a quiet room. I hate that because when it's in a quiet room, and then you burp and then you just get everybody just all stare at you.
It's really impolite to burp at apparently a Japanese restaurant. But apparently they like it when you make no, or is it a Chinese restaurant that you can make noises? I forgot now.
I think it's Chinese.
Yeah. You can slurp your soup, or is that Japanese? That
That's
you
Japanese.
can slurp your soup.
I'm pretty sure that's Japanese.
Okay. Well, yeah, you can make noises, and yeah.
That'd be awesome though. Like you go to a Japanese restaurant or soup.
No, you're not allowed to hold it up here when.
Okay, sorry. What? You get a straw?
When
I'm kidding.
In a Chinese restaurant, you can eat like that. Japanese restaurant, you have to eat like that. That's what my father told me, so I could be wrong.
Yeah.
But don't quote me. Quote my father, because if
I
my
don't
father's
usually
wrong.
go like this.
Hmm.
I don't usually go like this or like this. I use chopsticks.
Yeah.
Those really pissed me off when I was younger. I could never get the clamping motion.
I
of
know.
the chopsticks.
And then just like when I went to Max's first work, I haven't used chopsticks for a long time before then, and then I was able to use them, and I was like so proud of myself. I was like, yay, I can use chopsticks.
Well, when I first used chopsticks, I was like, yes. So I started using it randomly, like picking up the remote. I tried drinking, you grabbing a cup, but that didn't turn out in my favor.
Seriously, you tried that?
Yeah, when I first knew how to use chopsticks, I was using everything, grabbing DVDs, moving the mouse, I was doing everything. Chopsticks.
When was that?
In my house.
When? I said, no,
Oh,
where?
where? When? Probably grade 9.
Oh, okay.
Grade 9.
Ah.
That was fun.
So I would have been grade 11.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you would.
Yeah, no, I'm 20. So, turning 21 in June. Ah.
Yeah, who was that guy that was talking about odd stuff? Sometimes being 11.
Oh yeah, that's Justin. My buddy Justin helps me fix my computers.
Yeah. See, that should actually make sense. Why wouldn't they just go 12, 14, 16? Even numbers.
I guess they wanted to make it difficult on people to see how the human psyche works and to see if people would be able to give up their last piece.
I don't know. I think it's
Marketing.
Yeah, marketing, because then you have 11 and you're like, oh, I can't
have to
share.
Buy another pack because
Yeah,
then
yeah.
that'll be 22.
Now I have to go buy another pack, and you have to buy 2, and then which they make more
Or
money.
4.
Or that. You
Or
buy
6.
it in even numbers.
Yeah.
So you buy an extra pack that you don't really need. Unless it's Tim Tams, then that's reasonable, okay? Tim Tams are good. What I've heard. I haven't had any yet.
They are good. As hopefully some of you know. And I have longer hair than I had in that video. My hair was like here. And it's grown, and it's been about a year. See? That's how long my hair grows in a year. Or at least. Did you see that? My hair grows long. Fast.
My hair doesn't.
You should grow your hair out again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Except for it gets really messy.
So?
I don't have a brush.
Why not?
Because they usually break.
Well,
Just my hair just does that, you know. Break. It's iron hair.
Iron hair?
Okay, maybe not iron, you know.
I am iron hair.
That would be a superhero. That should
It'd be, oh, what's that called? The, Cousinette. Cousinette is iron hair.
Oh.
Oh, we have to wrap it up soon.
Yep, it's been around 6:45 and counting.
Yep. So, probably at 8, well...
Oh, I just found out today about Japanese snowmen.
Oh, yes.
I just found out that they're not, you know, us, you know, Americans or, you know...
Canadians.
Well, obviously Canadians.
They don't know.
Well, Canadians and elsewhere, maybe Europe-ish. You know, our snowmen have 3, you know, they have a big base, a sphere, a smaller size, middle, and a really small one at the top. But Japanese snowmen, which is a huge sphere on the bottom and a smaller sphere at the top. Just 2. Not 3. 2.
Alright.
I said sphere because it would kind of sound wrong if I said, yeah, Japanese snowmen have one bigger ball on the bottom and there's a smaller ball on the top. Kind of sounds funny.
With the carrots.
Yeah, with a carrot sticking out the top.
Okay, well, we'll leave you on that note and watch the second part. And yeah, bye.